Everyone says they want a reliable car, but what does that really mean? Is it a Toyota that clocks 300,000 miles without blinking? An old school American truck that hauls for decades? Or maybe a European tank that outlives its owner? Today we're counting down the 21 unstoppable cars that refuse to break down. And trust me, the #1 car on this list survived floods, fire, and a 21,000-foot climb and still kept going. Mention the best car that you know until today in the comments, and we can bet you that you will change your mind about it. Let's get you started. 21st, Subaru Outback. The Outback is the wagon that just won't quit. From snowy mountain roads to suburban school runs, it keeps chugging along. Ask any Subaru fan, these flat-4 engines can clear 300,000 miles if you keep the oil fresh. It's the go-anywhere family hauler that outlasts most SUVs. But here's what really makes the Outback unstoppable. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system. This setup delivers better grip and balance in harsh conditions. Whether you're dodging potholes, climbing mountain trails, or plowing through a blizzard, owners swear by it. Many say their Outback saved them from getting stranded in storms where other cars gave up. And the Outback's rugged simplicity means fewer things to break. No gimmicks. Just solid engineering designed to survive real-world punishment. That's why you still see Outbacks from the 90s on the road today, hauling kayaks, dogs, and gear like they just rolled off the lot. And this is only the beginning. Stay tuned, because the next 20 cars on this list might just make you rethink what reliability really means. 20. Jeep Cherokee XJ Boxy, simple and tough as nails. The XJ Cherokee is an off-road legend. Its inline-6 engine is nearly indestructible, with countless examples hitting 400,000 miles while climbing trails or towing boats. But here's what really sets the XJ apart. It's the SUV that refuses to die, even after decades of mud, snow, and rocky abuse. The solid front and rear axles, built to handle punishment that would break lesser SUVs in half. And thanks to its no-nonsense design, you can fix an XJ with basic tools. No fancy electronics to leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere. XJ owners love to brag about their beaters that keep starting every morning, no matter how battered they look. And the aftermarket support? Massive. You can still get parts, lift kits, and upgrades that keep these old warriors going strong. 19. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Fleet owners praise its V8 durability, and older models are known for pushing past 300,000 miles without major engine work. But what really makes the Silverado legendary? It's the truck that shrugs off abuse. Hauling heavy loads, towing massive trailers, endless job site duty, it just keeps going. Whether you're pulling stumps out of the ground or clocking highway miles, the Silverado's combination of simple engineering and overbuilt components makes it a generational workhorse. Want a truck you can hand down to your kids? The Silverado fits the bill. 18. Volvo 850. Volvo's brick-shaped warrior. The 850 wasn't built to win beauty contests, it was built to outlive its owners. Its 5-cylinder engine and tank-like build made it one of the most dependable European sedans of the 90s. And the proof, plenty of these cars are still faithfully serving as daily drivers with over 250,000 miles on the clock. The 850 earned a cult following for its mix of Swedish safety, simplicity, and insane longevity. If you see one on the road today, odds are it's got battle scars and plenty of life left in it. 17. Toyota Sienna. The Sienna isn't just a minivan, it's a long-distance champ. Owners routinely report 250,000 plus miles with original drivetrains thanks to Toyota's no-nonsense engineering. What makes it special? It hauls families, gear, and pets cross-country without breaking a sweat. And because it's built like a Camry with a bigger body, you get that same rock-solid reliability, just with room for the whole soccer team. Need a minivan that won't leave you stranded on vacation? The Sienna's your best friend. 16. Ford Ranger. The little truck that could. Simple, sturdy, and beloved by farmers, tradespeople, and weekend warriors alike, these old-school Rangers were built to last. With their no-nonsense design, tough suspension, and rock-solid 4-cylinder or V6 engines, Rangers often clear 300,000 miles, and they do it while hauling, towing, and tackling off-road trails. Need a work truck that won't complain no matter what you throw at it? The old Ranger's your guy, and here's the best part. Parts are cheap, fixes are easy, and the thing just refuses to die. 15. Honda Fit Tiny Package, massive staying power. The Fit's bulletproof small engines, smart engineering, and ultra-simple design make it one of the most reliable subcompacts ever built. These little hatchbacks are famous for racking up 200,000 plus miles with little more than oil changes and the occasional brake job. And thanks to Honda's magic interior packaging, the Fit isn't just durable, it's shockingly practical too. Owners love how it hauls everything from groceries to bicycles without ever breaking a sweat. It's proof that good things really do come in small, unstoppable packages. 14. Mercedes-Benz W124 E-Class overbuilt German engineering at its absolute finest. The W124 wasn't just made to be a car, it was made to outlast its owner. Everything about it was designed for the long haul. Thick sheet metal, durable suspension components, and engines that could survive daily abuse without complaint. It's no wonder European taxi drivers racked up 500,000 miles, or more, on these things with nothing but basic maintenance. Today you'll still spot W124s on the road, quietly cruising along while newer cars head to the junkyard. A timeless tank that refuses to quit. 13. Toyota Prius, the hybrid everyone doubted, and Toyota proved them all wrong. When the Prius hit the scene, critics said the complex hybrid tech would fall apart over time. But instead, Prius batteries and engines have become legendary, regularly lasting 200,000 to 300,000 miles with minimal issues. Taxi fleets, rideshare drivers, and eco-conscious owners alike swear by the Prius's unbeatable combo of fuel efficiency and reliability. The best part? It keeps its cool whether you're stuck in traffic or road tripping across states. It's the car that quietly rewrote the rules of durability. Up next, a vehicle that can tackle mountains and deserts and still ask for more. Don't go anywhere. 12th, Honda CR-V, the very definition of a hassle-free SUV. From soccer practice drop-offs to cross-country road trips, the CR-V has proven time and again that it's a faithful workhorse. Early models with their bulletproof 2.0-liter and 2.4-liter engines routinely clock 300,000 miles, all while needing little more than oil changes, brakes, and the occasional timing belt. Owners love how it blends fuel economy, space, and reliability in one no-nonsense package. Whether it's tackling snow, hauling camping gear, or just getting you to work every day, the CR-V is a family-friendly tank that keeps going strong when others have given up. 11th. Ford Crown Victoria, beloved by police departments, cab companies, and anyone who values a car that refuses to die. The Crown Vic's legendary V8 powertrain, body-on-frame construction, and simple 4-speed automatic transmission made it the go-to for people who needed reliability above all else. These cars weren't just built to survive, they were built to thrive under punishment. It wasn't unusual for fleet cars to sail past 300,000 miles, still idling quietly at the curb or chasing down speeders. If you want proof that simplicity and strength still matter, the Crown Vic's Ironclad reputation says it all. Think your car deserves a spot on this list? Drop it in the comments. How many miles do you have on the clock? 10. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is the SUV that laughs in the face of harsh terrain and high mileage. Its body-on-frame construction, a design most modern SUVs have abandoned, gives it the rugged backbone to handle brutal trails, heavy towing, and daily commutes without flinching. The 4.0-liter V6 is a masterpiece of simplicity and durability, easily pushing beyond 400,000 miles when cared for. What's wild? Many 4Runners do those miles not on smooth highways, but on muddy trails, rocky climbs, and desert roads. This isn't just an SUV, it's an off-road legend that refuses to quit. 9. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier isn't flashy, and that's exactly why it's so loved. Its if it ain't broke, don't fix it design philosophy has won over truck owners who want dependability over gimmicks. Whether it's hauling tools to job sites or crawling over rocks, the Frontier's simple V6 engine and sturdy frame take the punishment and keep going. Owners report 300,000 plus miles on the regular, often with original engines and transmissions. The best part? The Frontier doesn't need fancy tech to prove its worth. It's a truck that just gets the job done year after year. 8. Volkswagen Beetle. The original Volkswagen Beetle wasn't designed to impress. It was designed to endure. With its air-cooled, low-maintenance engine and ultra-simple mechanicals, the Beetle became the ultimate fix-it-anywhere car. No computers, no fancy electronics, just stubborn reliability. In remote villages, deserts, and mountains, Beetles are still chugging along after 500,000 miles or more, patched up with whatever tools were at hand. It's the car that that proved you don't need horsepower or luxury to be truly unstoppable. Just a little German grit and a lot of heart. 7. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is the sedan that quietly outlasts trends, fads, and sometimes its own drivers. For over 4 decades, the Accord has set the standard for reliability, blending refined engineering with bomb-proof powertrains. From the old-school 2.2-liter 4-cylinder workhorses to the silky V6 engines, Accords routinely cross 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Want a car that's as happy on cross-country road trips as it is commuting every day for 20 years? The Accord's got you covered. It's the no drama, no fuss companion that just keeps going. 6. Toyota Camry. If there's a car that defines set it and forget it reliability, it's the Toyota Camry. Known as the sedan that just won't quit, the Camry pairs conservative, no-nonsense engineering with overbuilt engines that seem immune to wear. Whether it's the legendary 2.2-liter 4-cylinder or the smooth V6, Camrys rack up 300,000 plus miles while asking for little more than oil changes and the occasional brake job. This is the car your neighbor bought in the 90s that's still parked in their driveway, quietly outliving flashier, more expensive rivals. 5. Volvo 240. The Volvo 240 is more than just a car. It's a tank in disguise. Built with an obsession for safety and longevity, this Swedish icon earned its reputation by routinely smashing the million-mile mark. The secret? Unstressed red block engines, simple rear-wheel drive, and build quality that laughs in the face of rust and time. These boxy warriors became legends of durability, whether hauling families across snowy roads or surviving decades of daily driving. Even today, it's not rare to see a 240 soldiering on with 400,000 plus miles. Original engine still humming. 4. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Who says reliable cars have to be boring? The Mazda MX-5 Miata is living proof that you can have fun and keep the repair bills low. With its simple, naturally aspirated inline-4 lightweight chassis and if it ain't broke, don't fix it philosophy, the Miata delivers endless joy without endless trips to the shop. Owners routinely hit 250,000 miles or more while redlining it on back roads or carving up racetracks. The Miata isn't just reliable, it's the dependable sports car that always begs for one more drive. 3. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 didn't become America's best-selling vehicle for 4 decades by accident. This truck is built to work, and work hard. Whether towing, hauling, or taking abuse on job sites, the F-150's body-on-frame strength and bulletproof engines, think legendary V8s and durable EcoBoost V6, mean it keeps going when others quit. Many F-150s cross 300,000 miles and still feel ready for another decade of service. From farmers to contractors, it's the truck people trust to never let them down. 2. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just reliable, it's a lifeline. From deserts to mountains, jungles to war zones, it's the vehicle people count on when breakdowns aren't an option. Its formula? Simple, overbuilt mechanics, unstressed engines, and a chassis that can take a beating for decades. 400,000 plus miles? That's just getting started. The Land Cruiser isn't luxury, it's survival on wheels. 1. Toyota Hilux. The king, the legend, the truck that Top Gear dropped from a building, drowned in the ocean, set on fire, and couldn't kill. The Toyota Hilux defines indestructibility. From the Australian outback to the most remote corners of Africa, Hilux trucks rack up 500,000 plus miles while enduring the kind of abuse that would destroy lesser vehicles. Built with bomb-proof engines and go anywhere toughness, it's more than a truck. It's a global icon of reliability. Surprised by the list? Which one would you trust on a cross-country trip? Let us know below. These are the cars that prove reliability isn't just a spec, it's a way of life. If you're shopping for your next car or just want to see what it takes to build a legend, these models are where to start. Hit that like button if you learned something today. Subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the most iconic machines ever built.